Hello, I'm Andrea Stanford and I work at Fife Properties in Fife, Scotland. I'm the director's PA and one of my roles is to organise the photos and the floor plans for each property, ensuring that they look as good as they can. Previously, I would only have a basic black and white floor plan, and although it provided the information required, it wasn't very eye-catching or memorable. The outcome of our photos also depended on how good the weather was, and in Scotland that's not always the best. Now we can provide a floor plan in full colour and photos with blue skies and bright colours, even if it was dull and wet when originally taken. This has made it a more pleasant experience for our online viewers, and overall our properties are getting a better exposure. Now the PropertyBOX does the hard work, it frees up more time for me to sign up new business. Our customers are loving the results that having enhanced pictures and a full colour floor plan gives them, and it's also reflected in the speed and the quality of the offers that are being received.